Oh, look. We are out here looking for a pet, and we found a fawn. That's pretty cool. Get a closer look at that. We're only 900 feet away. So that's pretty cool. That shows you we could obviously find this dog. This dog appears to be maybe 50 pounds. There's another one. Wow. That's pretty cool. He needs to be laying down. What's he doing? That's super cool. Man, and look how late it is. It is September 12th. And these guys look pretty young. They don't look, but maybe a couple weeks old? I'm not an expert from this altitude, but